It's me with another super quick unboxing of an EKFB ASUS Strix X299-E monoblock. Here's the instructions for the monoblock. It's very important when you disconnect. You need to disconnect also the plate that holds the cooling for the VRAMs. Okay. Comes with it. That's okay, but this is the thermal pad, some covering, some thermal paste, screws, and the monoblock that includes RGB LEDs, if you can see it here, it's on a separate plate. It's not one block, it's connected, I'm guessing, with another heat spreader in between, but it's not the same plate as the bottom one. You see the gap here. And it's supposed to go like this. Thank you very much. See you next time.